Welcome back to New Tech Look. My name is Chris. New Tech Look is special YouTube channel that bring you the latest updates on cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll be exploring best budget Android phones for 2023 that deliver incredible performance without burning a hole in your pocket. Let's dive right in. Number 1, Google Pixel 6a, the powerhouse performer, $350. First up, we have the Google Pixel 6a, a true powerhouse at an affordable price of just $350. With 6 gigs of RAM and Google's high-end Tensor chipset, this phone guarantees lightning-fast performance. The camera, backed by Google's expertise, will capture stunning shots and memories to cherish. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy A03s, unmatched affordability, $160. For those seeking the absolute cheapest option, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A03s, coming in at an unbeatable price of $160. Don't let the low price fool you, it still packs essential features and even includes a fingerprint sensor for added convenience. Number 3, Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G, 2023, creativity on a budget, price $299. Up next is the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G. Offering a unique stylus experience without the hefty price tag. However, this budget-friendly smartphone with stylus support is a fantastic choice for those who love to express their creativity on the go. Number 4, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, brilliant camera. Unbeatable value, $224.99. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is a camera beast. However, rest assured, this phone offers an exceptional camera setup and a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, giving you stunning visuals without compromising on your budget. Number 5, Realme C35, premium design at an affordable price $174.99. Lastly, we have the Realme C35, a phone that impressed with its premium design without revealing its exact price. Nevertheless, this device is an excellent choice for those who want to stand out without breaking the bank. The 1080p display adds icing to the cake, making it a true value-for-money option. Conclusion, there you have it, 5 incredible budget Android smartphones for 2023. From powerful performance to affordable stylus support and excellent camera capabilities, these phones offer something for everyone. So, unleash your potential with these budget-friendly gems and make the most of your smartphone experience without breaking your budget. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.